So we're here at the Court of Two Sisters in the old section of New Orleans. And the cool thing about this place is that it was built in 1832 for a famous banker here in New Orleans. And they actually preserved most of the walls and the building itself. They offer a jazz brunch, and it was created and made famous by the Fine family. Now it's in the third generation of ownership. Cool thing about this place, not only the jazz and the great Creole food, but this courtyard, one of the largest courtyard in New Orleans, right here. And right there in the very corner, right there, is actually the Devil's Wishing Well. And it's said that Marie Laveau, the famous voodoo, actually practiced magic right here. So you have a lot of fun evil spirits or even happy spirits just like looming around this awesome courtyard. So whenever you're in New Orleans and you need a place to go eat and enjoy, come here. Court of Two Sisters. Make every meal an adventure.